Hi friends, today you are going to learn how to make welcome baby boy account. Let's get started. Friends, for this activity we need one off-white color cutout, one card of peach color, then we need glitter sheet of blue color, some stickers, dark blue color sheet, paper sheet, one scissor, off-white ribbon and glue. Let's get started. First of all, we are going to paste this off-white cutout of chart paper on this card with this glue. Next step is, friends, we are going to draw a baby boy romper on this blue sheet with the pencil and we are going to cut it. You can see the image or drawing from the internet. Look at this. I'm going to cut it. Next step is we are going to make a small bow with this white ribbon and we are going to paste it over here. Take a small piece of white ribbon and make a small knot and bow. Okay, first of all I am going to make a knot like this and I am going to make a bow. Friends, I will cut this extra ribbon. I am going to cut the edges. Now for the background we are going to make small heart shapes, cutouts. We are going to draw and cut and we are going to paste some small and some big heart. Now I'm going to cut them. Now we are going to paste all the things. First of all we are going to paste this romper, then we are going to paste this bow and sprinkle some heart shape like this. Give the height to this romper. I am going to place some, you can use some chart paper or anything to give the height to this romper. So I will paste here. Okay, so romper should be a little bit tilt, don't paste it very straight. Okay, put some glue on the back side. I am going to paste it like this. Next I am going to paste this bow here and stars like this. To fill this gap, I'm going to use these stickers. Friends, I will cut a small circle of this glitter sheet. Like this, and I am going to paste it here. Here you can paste a small button if you have, it's up to you. Friends, you can write some good wishes inside the card. Friends, I hope you like this. Please subscribe and like my channel for more exciting videos. See you later.